Hey everybody, how you doing? Julia here from Accessorize Your Life, and I hope you're ready to see an unboxing of what I got in this month's, or they're calling it, Black Friday Mystery Bag. So that's what I have in this box from Juvia'S Place, as I like to call it. I've been seeing it written Juvia'S, but I don't know if there's been a formal announcement that that's what it's called now or what, but I did order the Black Friday bag, which comes in a box. And as usual, it's $18, at least when I order it, it is. When it pops up on my email, it's $18. I did use the code TRIBE to get 20% off. So it took me to about $20 with shipping and everything. So it's another box, small box at that, and hopefully it is a good one. You know, I don't know if you do this, but I do. I kind of make a list of things that I would like from a certain brand or company. And I also make a list of what I need, like when I run out of things. But from Juvia'S Place, I kind of feel like I would like to have single shadows. I think I would like to have like potted kind of shimmery single shadows in some nice colors. I think I'd like to have more of their brow gel. And what else do I like from them especially? I don't know what or if they make a face primer. I don't know, but I kind of would like to have that. So let's see what's in this box, not bag, and it kind of looks like it's something I've seen before. And let me tell you, there's not much in here. There's 3 items. So yeah, you don't get much. Now this is the Magic Mini by Juvia'S. That's the palette that comes in this package here. And gosh, let me take a look back here. Yeah, that's something I have. So anyway, that's what it is. And there's another highlighter, and let me put some glasses on real quick. The highlighter is in Clio loose highlighter. I'm going to check my highlighters and see if I have that one. And then you get a liquid lipstick here, and this one is in CS La Vie. I may have this one. CS La Vie. Looks familiar. So yeah. Yeah, I do. I think I do have this. CS La Vie. I've gotten it before. So you know what I do with these. But what I suggest you do with this, if you happen to like the products, or if you are shopping for the holidays and you know that people on your list like makeup, this is a great opportunity to get 3 products here that is a gift that's under or at $20. 3 products for $20. You can't go wrong like that with a brand that you know delivers. So Juvia'S Place colors, their palettes are exceptional, especially for us brown skin beauties, because there's pigmentation there. They apply nicely and they last. The shadows last nicely, and you get good pigment with your lip products as well as your highlighter. So let me check and see if I have this highlighter. You know, this is a powder. Where do I have the highlighters? Oh, I have them over. Do I have them over here? Guys, I don't know what is what or where stuff is right now. Not there. Haha, I found the 3 I have. Got 3. Let's see. This one again is Clio. I have Clio right here. So everything I got in this Black Friday bag, as they're calling it, are not new to me. I want to say they're not singles that, you know, I may have duplicates of them. I may have triples of some of these things, and I wouldn't be surprised. Let me look real quick and see what this palette looks like so I can show it to you. Okay, here's the one that I own. This is the Magic Mini by Juvia'S, and this is what the shadows look like. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this palette. The colors are nice, and it could take you into the holidays. It could take you into spring. You could use this palette throughout the year because you have some pastels there, and you have some jewel tones there, and you have a couple of neutrals there. You could do a neutral look. And you have, I think this is a black here that can ground a look, some purple, blues. So you've got everything you need in this palette for the whole year to create stunning looks. I love these pinks here. So not a bad palette at all. It's just that I own it already. Okay, I took the liberty of swatching each of the products so that you could see what they look like, because I don't want to assume that you all have seen them, even though they're all repeats for me. So as far as the lovely lip goes, the, what did I call it? I have to put glasses on. As usual, nothing new. Need my specs. The CS La Vie looks like this in the tube, and here it is right there on my hand. The highlighter right there is Clio. This is what it looks like in the pan. I shake it so you can see it. Clio right there. It has some flecks in it, so it's shimmery. But this lippy dries down matte. And here is the palette on my hand. The palette has no mirror, as you can see, but I swatched it just as it is here so that you could see everything. So avoiding these two, this is the palette here on my hand, swatched for you. The pinks, everything shows up quite nicely. So you can see it better there. Very nice. So I guess there's 16 shadows here. Yeah, 16 shadows. And again, this is the Magic Mini by Juvia'S. And this is what it looks like swatched. And those are your lip product and your highlighter there. So no, I didn't get anything that's on my wish list for Juvia'S Place. And I didn't expect to, really. Well guys, this is what I got in this month's Juvia'S Place mystery bag. And they're calling it Black Friday mystery bag. And yeah, for me, it's not a winner, but unless I'm gifting it to someone. But for those of you who want to make this a gift like I will do, or if you need these products, if you don't have these products in your collection, it's a winner for you. Alrighty, thank you for tuning in, and remember you can go to Juvia'S Place, use the code TRIBE that was politely shared with me from one of my subbies. So use that code for 20% off, and if you know a better code, let us know down below in the comments section. And if you have this palette, tell me what you think of it. Am I right or am I right? It's a good palette. I'm right. See you guys in the next one. Take care.